All right, we're going to be taking a look at ReviewSuite 360 by Jono Armstrong. I've already been in here testing this out for about the last 2 or 3 hours, so I'm actually going to be able to just jump right in and show you the tool. That's what I think you're going to get the best value from. So I've already created a campaign, already have kind of put the tool to the test. I'm going to tell you about the good and the bad so far. A ridiculous bonus package for you. So I'm actually going to go over the bonus package real quick, and then I'm going to go and show you the bonus page builder and the whole, explain exactly who the ReviewSuite is for and what I think about it so far. So you can get my custom bonuses for Review 360 right over here. And this has never really been done before. There actually is one other creator, Mike from Maine and Brett Rotecki. They did create a software that is similar to this. I think it was not as robust, but it was very, very simple to use. So I would say this is the second time this has been done, but I will say that the software and the ability to create unique custom bonuses and so forth, the Review 360 probably wins from that perspective. But I'm going to go ahead and tell you about the bonuses that I put together for you right here. So this is an actual $1,000 course, a real world value right here. And here is the sales page for this. This is Affiliate Profits Academy. I sold this a few years ago, made tens of thousands of dollars from this course right over here. It tells you everything, every single thing that I know about affiliate marketing over the shoulder. And even at a 50% discount right now, this is a $997 course. It's still selling right now for $497 on my site right now. This is a full-blown 9-module course. I take you from beginner affiliate marketing 101 to profitable programs to pick like how to select what affiliate networks to go for, niche selection, keyword research, free traffic generation, paid traffic generation. I go through YouTube mastery, converting, creating funnels and what tools to use, and implementation and motivation. Okay, so this is over 10 hours of over-the-shoulder training from yours truly. So this is only give this bonus out for products that I really, really like. I think they're going to be big hits and that I think can actually help you out in your affiliate marketing journey. So that is bonus number one, but I really put together a massive bonus package for you. So this one right over here, this is a bonus Warrior Plus Find Winning Products, exclusive insider guide to selecting high converting quality products on the Warrior Plus marketplace. Perfect for affiliate marketers, experienced and beginners right here. So this is a full-blown training. I think it's 22 minutes long. And I just show you how I vet my vendors, vet the products that I'm going to go after. And you guys see me on the leaderboards all the time. I have people reaching out to me on a daily basis, say, hey, can you work with us? Can you promote our tool and all this stuff? Well, you're going to learn, well, one of the reasons is that I picked the right tool of the day, and I don't just go with what's popular or what I think is going to work. I actually go based on math and statistics. And then also at the end of the day, yes, I have a gut feeling about the vendor as well. So you put all that together and you're likely going to see success because you know how to pick products out. Okay. So I've got that one for you. And I love this bonus training. It's a 25-minute training from myself. And this is what I would do if I had to start all over again. And I think that you can just see right over here that this little screenshot right over here that said that, that I had $30 today, but yesterday I put this exact thing into motion. And this is launch jacking. I'll give you that little bit of secret right now that this is actually launch jacking right now. You're watching this video. This is launch jacking as well. If it didn't work, I wouldn't be making this a video for you right now and making tens of thousands of dollars from ReviewSuite and Warrior Plus. I'm a top 5% affiliate, and sometimes I end up getting into the top 1% on those platforms as well. I'm still doing this to the day. I've been doing this for 5 years full time, and there's a reason why in 2026, after being online for 5 years, that I still continue to promote Warrior Plus and ReviewSuite products because it just flat out works. There is room for everybody in the market, but I have a little bit different technique and beliefs around the whole subject of launch jacking than anybody else. And so that's what you're going to get in this training. This is actually what I would do if I need to make more money. I do product reviews of Warrior Plus and ReviewSuite because it just straight up works. There's a market out there, a buyer's market. People want these tools, and your job is to get in front of them and promote them, right? So what I did in this video here is that I literally just put it to the test. I was making $0. I went and made a video and I made $500 in one day right there. Boom. So I teach you how to do that. I also, bonus 4 is I'm going to give you a custom GPT that I created. I'm pretty techie. And if you guys don't know me, I'm from another channel called RunWire. I've got over almost 21,000 subscribers on there. And I review softwares full-time on that channel. I'm a top AppSumo affiliate as well. So not only am I a top Wire Plus and JVZoo affiliate, I'm also a top ambassador level affiliate for AppSumo based out of Austin, Texas. It's a multi-million-dollar company. They sell lifetime deals on softwares. And so I review software after software. Now, I'm able to, I do a lot of tutorials on ChatGPT, Claude, Google Gemini, all that kind of stuff, right? And so when I create GPTs, they're going to be based on my marketing knowledge, right? And then also kind of put some tech spins on it to really kind of get a good workflow for you in this. And so what this affiliate SEO video title creator does is it takes you basically can grab an affiliate page, a page that you want to promote a product. You can paste it into this GPT and it's going to tell you exactly which videos to create, the exact optimized SEO titles that's going to get you views on your videos. And if you make the video correctly and you have a good bonus, you're going to see success. You're going to make sales. Okay. So I'm giving that away as well. We have bonus number 5, GPT. What are you going to do after you make those videos, right? You're going to need to market that to your email list. And if you're brand new, you won't have an email list, but eventually you'll have an email list. Even if it's 100 people, you want to email that email list. This is a concise video promoter. So you take your video, you pop it into this GPT, and it will create just a really nice, non-salesy, just really friendly, easygoing, casual, like I said, there's the persuasion level is low on this because you just want to get people to watch your video. That's it. It's another secret tip that no one else gives out. So you don't want to just go and blast your list, click on the link. And that's what a lot of affiliate marketers do, but they would find even more success and make more sales if they would just make a video and lead people to the video and then let people decide after that. If they like the product, if they like your bonuses, then cool. They're going to click on your link and buy the product. And so that's the way I do my affiliate marketing, and it's worked out really well. This is such a really cool tool that will help you along the way, right? And then finally, I'm going to end with one of my flagship products. It was the first course that made me a lot of money. I think I made like $15,000 from this course. It's PLR Profits Academy. Yes, it's an old course, but there's still some really good nuggets in there. And all you have to do is just take what you learned in this course and apply AI and ChatGPT and 2026 techniques and apply it to all the places that I recommend you sell PLR products. And this is like an over 3 hour long course as well right here. You're going to get that as well. So you get all 6 of these custom bonuses just for picking up Review 360. Okay, so let's go ReviewSuite 360. So here's the dashboard. Really cool. They have a dark mode as well. It looks really, really nice, but I think I kind of feel like it's a little too dark for my liking with this dark purple. And then right here on the black, it's just too dark for me. So I'm going to go ahead and go with the light mode, light and bright. Now you can go to new project over here. You're going to go to new project and you're going to fill out all your information right over here, right? Put in the JV page, the sales page, the front end affiliate link, the bundle, and you can go from here. You can manually select, or you can just let them select for you. And then you push analyze and generate. And it goes out there. It analyzes all these JV pages. It analyzes the front end offer. It analyzes all that. It has your affiliate link and so forth. Here's your affiliate link right here. And then it goes out and builds all this out. But you also have a bonus library. Once you create bonuses, we've created bonuses in here now. And you can see we have all these bonuses right over here. And you can upload an image over here. You can use AI to create that. And you can make all your adjustments in here. You can also come in here and create a bonus right here, right? So it is very similar to this software that I've been using over here called Commission Gorilla. There's a little bit more manual type stuff that you do, but Commission Gorilla has been working for like 10 years. I think it's been around since literally like 2015 or something like that. And it still works. And I used it to create this bonus page right over here for you because I'm not going to change my workflow. I already have like hundreds of bonuses loaded in Commission Gorilla. So this is just the way that I do it, right? But so that's right off the bat. I'm going to tell you ReviewSuite 360 is for 2 people. For one, if you're just complete newbie at this and you don't have Commission Gorilla, and most people, even in my school community, they don't have access to these tools. So that's who should buy this tool. Is if you're a newbie and you want a tool that's going to help you create bonuses, create bonus pages, and all that, right? And help you with your review videos. Great. This is definitely for you. Even if you have Commission Gorilla, like this tool over here, even if you have this tool, I still think for ReviewSuite 360, if you want the ability to go and create custom bonuses, and I'm going to show you that in just a minute, then all these were created immediately inside the tool, which is super, super cool. You also have the ability to add your own bonuses as well. So that's who I think. Branding, you're going to add your author photo, you're going to put your support email in right there. You can actually add your custom domain right over here, and they'll even show you DNS, even like for Namecheap, GoDaddy. They'll, that's a little bit of the techie side. I don't need to show that in this review, but you can actually hook up your own domain to this, which is super cool as well. Now, before we go in and I'll show you how to use this, let's just go over the upgrades, right? So I'm actually using the core right here. And honestly, I don't know. I just checked the JB page, I checked the sales page and all that. And I got to be honest, that's one thing I kind of don't like. I am reaching out to my affiliate manager on this product. It's one thing that I don't know if it was intentional or if they just accidentally left it off. But I don't know how many projects, so basically how many campaigns that you can create on the core plan, but it's obviously less than 30 because you have to pick up the pro version at $67 one time. This is OTO1 to get up to 30 campaigns per month, right? So that would allow you to create a new campaign every single day of the month. And I gotta be honest with you, you shouldn't really be doing any more than that. This is just a ton. That's a lot. It's different in 2026. So this game of launch jacking, you don't need to do 3 or 4 or 5 products per day. You need to pick a good product and kind of go all in on. And if you want to do extra work, create 3, 4, 5 more YouTube videos and promote that exact same product. That's what I would do, because you need traffic to good offers to make money. It's not about how many offers you're getting out there, if that makes sense, right? You can continue to make a bunch of videos around a good product, and that's going to increase your chances of actually making sales. So yes, I do think that's a good number right there. I don't see an unlimited professional version. You get 100 high converting bonuses preloaded. And then they also have it done for you right here. Well, they'll literally do one of these per week for you. So you could actually let them do this for you. And then you could go and make all your YouTube videos promoting the promotion that they put together for you, which is just brilliant, right? So this is actually very, very intriguing and interesting to done for you part. Reseller, you can resell this for 100% commissions. And then there's a bundle. So for $317 one-time offer, I'm not sure if you have to buy the core plan in order to get this. Not really sure, but $317 for the bundle, and you get everything. You get every single thing you see right here for just $317. Okay, so those are all the upgrades right over there. I'm just going to guess that you probably get like 10 campaigns per month on the core. I don't know that, but I would have to go and just see. And maybe we will go and see if we can test it out. Well, if I can remember by the end of the video. But I do recommend getting Pro for the 30 campaigns, and I do recommend this done for you. But honestly, if this is something that you really want to take serious and make into a real business, I would just invest the $300 and get the dang bundle. Okay, so you're not missing out. You're not wasting time thinking about, should I have done this, should I have not. This is a business model, and take it serious. It's not that much money. People spend way more money than that on different products and AppSumo products and tier 5 this and all that, right? So you have bonuses over here. There's a launch calendar. This is really cool. I'll show you this. This actually will tell you, you can come in here and you can actually look at, for example, today, there's 11 products launching today. So you can come through and you can look at you can click on this. It'll give you the Munchai link right over here. It'll tell you who's launching and how much commission and the price point. So this is a nice little calendar that has it all organized for you as well. So I think that was pretty cool. They also have instructions all along the way on how to do everything. And then they have a nice support system right over here. So everything just checks out. You can definitely, this is a multi-$1,000 product. I've costed $10,000 or more to create this type of level. And I don't think that you could create this with vibe coding without it breaking. So I do think that he definitely has developers and so forth working on this as well. So far everything, the user interface makes very much sense. And like I said, you're going to start with a new project and you're going to do that. I already have and then there's your bonus library and your branding. So my projects, I already have one, right? So access link, bonus page, and open, right? I'll show you what this looks like right off the bat. And this is what it's going to look like, right? You're going to have your video overview right here. You're going to have this software changes AI video. You're going to have, and I just wanted to show you what it looked like with the video right here, because I did already run into one bug. When I upload my video on the final page, it's not actually, this is the actual page and what it's going to look like, app.reviews360. And then you're going to have a page right there, right? Unless you hook up your custom domain, this is basically what your bonus page is going to look like. But that's not saving right over there. I've already reached out to them. They'll get this fixed. So I'm not worried about it. But you'll have this, like when people click on this, it will take them to your affiliate link right over here. Those buttons right there. You have a timer right here, and then you have all your bonuses right here. And all these bonuses right here were created inside the tool. I'll show you how that works. So bonus number one, you'll put a value on it. It'll give them an overview of and look how it's branded. Bonus guide by David Mills right there. And we have control over that. I added a thumbnail, so I added my own custom thumbnail on this one just for fun. And on this one, I changed the mock-up, and that's what that one looked like. And then I added Affiliate Profits Academy in here as well, and put that in right there. And then you have your links right there, and then how to ensure you get your bonuses right here. So this is what the bonus page will look like. Pretty nice. And they have different styles as well. When you come in here and you go into, let's see, bonus page builder, there's a bunch of different things that you can do over here. You can also go and choose between these templates right over here, like so. And you can publish a new look, right? So that's kind of what the bonus page looks like. So I'm going to push open and show you what all this looks like, right? So you all across the top, you have your custom page, your bonus page, you have your review video, you have your thumbnail, and you have your bonus right there. So they have a thumbnail creator in here. It's going to come in, it's going to look different, and we'll run through what it looks like to create a project in just a minute. But you have a full-fledged thumbnail designer with all the things that you need inside of here, and you can download the PNG, you can save to project, save draft, and all that. You can come in here and you have a review video. This is really, really cool. It writes, you can regenerate, you can go Jono style. It writes your script for you, and then it has a workflow. You'll insert the video, like the demo video, right? If you don't have access, no problem. If you don't have access, you're just going to get the demo video. You're going to throw that in between. So you're going to still personally brand yourself. You can just read this and show a screen. You can get on camera and read that as well. You can put in your demo, the demo of the product, and then you can end with a closing right here. And then it stitches it all together and creates your video, right? So you have your script, you have your record, right? So we have all of our videos right here. You're going to go like this with record. You can re-record. So let's just say, so this is what mine looked like. So you might not see that because in video editing, I'm going to cut out all the silences, and for whatever reason, Tela picks up the audio from my system. It won't play those. So you probably won't be able to see that, but hey, you record, there's a teleprompter, and I'll just show you what that looks like. So there's a teleprompter right here. You can push record, scroll, you can control the speed, you enable your camera. That's actually pretty dang freaking cool. And you can customize this to where it's actually you on screen, right? The issue is there's no, eye sync or whatever. So when you're looking at it's going to show your eyes are down. See, like I'll scroll through this. So my eye is just looking kind of down and not at the camera. And believe me, it doesn't matter. This is still personable. People would still buy from me even if I'm not looking at the camera. But in order to make it just a little bit better, you'd probably want to bring this into like Descript and then use their AI eye sync. So then it'll take your eyes and look right at the camera, and it looks really, really good. Otherwise, or you could use your own teleprompter and look really close at the camera, something like that, right? Then you upload the demo video right here. Then you have your closer, and then you go next, and then it puts this all submit to render, right? You can add branding in here as well. You can add a logo, background music. They have a basic video editor in here. Really, really neat, right? Like I haven't seen this level of like a capability in an affiliate marketing type of tool. They really went the extra mile on this. Now, there are a couple of different things that I do need to tell you. But when I did submit there the first time, it didn't render my video. I did get an error. I already sent that off. So that's one thing, that when I'm reviewing these tools, I do the right thing. I actually let them know. I actually do care, and I care about you as a potential customer. I want them to fix the software, or I won't promote them again, right? If they don't fix this up, tidy it up, then it just won't be something that I will promote again, that vendor. I think that they're going to get this fixed. I can see that this is high quality. But when I find a bug, and I found about 3 or 4, I took some screenshots, explained the situation, and then I sent it off to the affiliate manager so that they can can get with a developer team, they can get with Jono and just let them know, hey, here's some of the issues that some of our affiliates are seeing, and they can go and get this stuff fixed. Okay. So I'm not going to tell you that it's perfect 100%. No, it's not. There's some things that are buggy and need fixed. I do believe that they're going to get those things fixed. Okay. Boom. And then you'll have your video right there as well. Okay. So that's that part. And then this is what your bonuses will look like, right? So you'll come in here and you basically can upload app content, right? And I'll show you what that looks like. You can go with an upload file it, and you can do an external link. So I put a couple different types of styles here. This one is an uploaded file. I actually uploaded like a 30-minute video and it uploaded it really, really fast. So that was really nice. We can actually go and see what that looks like. We can preview and so forth. And then we can come in here and let's just say, there's that affiliate profits one. Now, if we wanted to add a bonus, we can add one from our library or add from here. And I can just say, a test. I'm going to just put in some text here. And you can say it's a PDF video template checklist, a swipe file, or a tool. Let's just say it's a checklist, right? And the perceived value is $27 add bonus, right? So it's going to add that bonus to the bottom down here. And then let's say we don't have an image, right? We can upload one, or we can just use AI. And we can say, I want a 2D right here, or I want to go with like this, right? But it's probably going to be better for this bonus checklist. You're going to put all this stuff in here. You can fill all this out, and you can supporting icons right there. We're going to go like this, say checklist right there. And then you can change the name, blah, blah, blah. But if you did your branding, it's already going to be filled out, and then generate the cover. So now it's going to go out there and AI is going to go ahead and generate this for us. Okay, perfect. So there is we can go and take a look. Bonus checklist right here. There is your 2D cover for that, all inside the dashboard with their AI. Now you would use the app content right here. We don't have any. So you would go and click on this little book button, generate outline. Now this is only for writing an ebook, right? So let's go and just add one more so you can see what that looks like. So let's add, and this is going to be so I'm going to do affiliate marketing for beginners in 2026 and, learn how to make your first 100 online in just 48 hours, something like that, right? And we'll just go like that. And then we'll just add this and we'll let the book, based on those two things. And we'll say, pick an audience. Now you can go and you can put bullet points. I'm not going to even do that, but we have a PDF right here and we're going to say that this is worth $37 and we're going to add the bonus. And this is when you're going to add that bonus. You're going to come down here. You're going to go like this. And then what you'll do is you'll just come over here to the book, right? We're going to select the app content. We're going to select that little book over here and we're going to say generate outline right here. And now it's going to go and generate an outline based on what we gave it, the affiliate marketing for beginners in 2026. And you can see right here, you can regenerate the outline. This is what it's going to come up with. And then you're going to say, expand all chapters. Now it's going to go out there and actually write an entire book for us. And you can see it's going to finish chapter 1 right over here. And you have design and preview right over here. So it's a full-fledged AI tool right over here that's going to build your chapter. You can go mark right down and you have all this right over here. You can edit, you can come in here and you can change this, update it if you want, but the tool literally builds everything for you inside the dashboard, right? And so then I'm going to go back to project. And we can show you what one of these looks like. So this is what it looks like when it's done. You have design, you can choose fonts, you can put all that in there, put your book and your website and all that right over there. And then you can preview. And this is what your preview and this is what your ebook will look like right over here. So you've got the entire thing and then you'll be able to go, you can create your videos in here. You got a launch calendar, you build your bonus pages in here. You have your affiliate links. It does the entire thing. So it's an entire system. Now it's a little bit more complicated than you think. There will be a learning curve, even though I just showed you pretty much everything that you can do. You can manage all your bonuses. You can add custom bonuses. The tool builds bonuses for you. It does all your design and artwork for you. It really is kind of a complete business in a box. The two things that you're still going to have to do there's just no real way around is what I like about it is that it's still encouraging you to create unique personal brand videos. It's not using AI to create videos. And I'm really glad that they left that off there. Jono knows that you're just not going to be successful as an affiliate if you're throwing up and also throwing up crappy intros and outros. At least if you get on camera and just talk to your audience and take it to tell them about the software. Go, if you don't want to actually record your voice or record yourself reviewing the software, I should say. Now he's getting on camera and recording, or even just recording your screen and doing a 60-second intro and say, hey, you know, like I did take this for a ride. I thought this was really good, or this product, and here's why and stuff. And then so check out the demo, and then boom, put the product demo. That's great. And then come back for the outro, right? If you're going to ask me, I do recommend getting on camera. It's just people building a relationship with you. You're still going to need to put in, this still requires a little bit of work. I'm sorry, guys, there's just no magic pill or magic button to push that you can just push a button and you'll make money. No, but this does provide all the tools that you need, the bonus pages, the bonuses, all that stuff, a way to quickly record your videos and get them uploaded and all that. So it's a whole complete system. I do think that this is a really good product for the right person. So I can recommend this. I think that there's a couple of bugs that I found that they will probably work those out, or they will work those out. And then you can get my bonuses right over here that I think are worth way, 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 way more than just $37, right? If you even just get the front end package, you're going to get everything. I can't believe it. I don't think I've ever given away my $1,000 course for a $37 product. I usually put this bonus in on a back end, if you have to get one of the one-time offers in order to get this bonus from me. But in this case, I'm putting it on the front end right here. So you can get all these bonuses right here that was going to help launch your affiliate marketing success and help you get faster results in your business. So thank you. All the links will be below. If you want my bonuses, you get them from the link below. Thanks so much. I'll see you in the next video.